I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love. I know it's real love. Now I know that we can fly to any distance, anytime. Real love.
Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel Traveling in Food and Empire. Hello, my name is Leslie and today we are in, how to say this, Neuschwanstein Castle. Yes, in German it is called Neuschwanstein Castle, and this is the most famous castle for all tourists here in Germany, and they call it actually like Cinderella Castle. So it is so up there at the hills. So there's two ways how we could go there. First is we take a bus or we walk, and I don't want to walk, I guess, because the sun is really strong. I wear my cup because I always have a teary eyes and headache when it is so sunny for me. So yes, we will go there. Actually, I've been in this place for like third time already, and this time it's, by the way, happy Mother's Day to everyone, to all mommies like me. And this is kind of our Mother's Day celebration, so we are here and I will try to go there. But first we are waiting for our order because I'm starving, and yes, it's only for takeout as well. I don't know if you can see the mountains up there. This is our view. No, let me just try to go. It was just not in the plan. We just randomly go here today because we just want to see how is it now. You know, Germany is still in lockdown, and I just want to see, or we just want to know if how is the situation here in Fusen, here in Neuschwanstein during this pandemic. So we saw few people here, few tourists, and yes, of course everyone should wear a mask. Yeah, and restaurants are also closed, so we actually bought a schnitzel for lunch, but it takes 10 minutes, so I'm still waiting for it, and just for also takeout. So we will run. So just a short update, guys. Unfortunately, the castle, Neuschwanstein Castle, is closed, so we can't go. Where is it? Where's the castle? There, over there. We can't go there, the castle, because normally we have to take this bus, and the bus will bring us over there, but it says they don't do service and the castle is closed. Also, this castle here, the other castle over there, you see it, forget it, it's also closed, so we can't go there. So what we will try now is we'll see if the drone could get us a good shot, at least from the outside of the castle. So unfortunately I can't give you a view, a good shots closer, because you know we can't go there, it's close. We will just try to let the drone fly now, and hopefully he could give us a good shot. So yes guys, like what I said, we're not able to go closer to the castle because first, the castle itself is closed, and second, the bus don't do service at this time, and even if we go there and we walk, there's still no point because the castle is closed. We can't go inside. So I decided, by the way, to just share you guys some pictures that we had last 2019. This was before Corona, and I don't have pictures that was taken inside the castle because even before they don't allow they don't allow the tourists to take pictures inside the castle, so they want to preserve it. So I only have pictures here from the outside, and yes, I will share it to all of you here. And like what I said, this was last 2019 before Corona. Yes guys, it's true. These pictures were taken last 2019 before Corona, and I find it nice that I was wearing the same t-shirt from today and way back 2019. But you could notice it that in these pictures I still have a long hair and I'm a little bit skinny compared now. So yeah, after 2 years I gained a little bit weight. So yes, I am really liking what is the drone showing to us here. It was really, this lake is really beautiful. It was really lovely. You could just go there at least and just have a walk or a picnic, or just have some quality time with your partners. At least this lake is open. So, and some restaurants there, hotels are and shops are closed. There are a few that are open, but for restaurants, I guess there's only one shop that is open there, and also for takeout. And but the other shops, souvenir shops, there are some that are open, but the rest are also closed.
'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love. I know it's real love. Now I know that we can fly to any distance, anytime. Real love, I'm feeling real love. In your arms I know I feel like home, and I'll never be alone. There's a beautiful day outside, yeah, you know how to make it shine. You know that I'll be there for you. Because you're everything to me. I'm finally feeling free. All of what I dreamed, and now I find it next to me. I come to understand this is what I want to share. And that's what happens when we fall in love. 'Cause this is real love. I know it's real
So
love.
yes guys, we're going home now. Unfortunately, like I said earlier, we can't go inside or closer to the castle because it was locked. So that we just we just let the drone fly, and yeah, maybe next time, because it's still Corona, you know, it's still locked down here in Germany, and at least we were able to go for a walk outside in the area, just that we can't go closer to the castle and can't get into the castle. But yes, it was still a good day. It was still nice weather, and we will just all hope that this Corona crisis will come to an end soon. Yeah, so everything will go back to normal again. So yes, that's for our vlog for today, and I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you again next time on our next vlog. Bye.
'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm